Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to turn off on privacy and safety settings on your account on Discord. Easy and quick. First click on your profile. Now click privacy and safety, and now click phone number. Click on it like this and it will be turned off, and that's it. That's how to turn off phone number on your account on Discord on privacy and safety settings. Easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.